Hi, Tim Kerin here from Mortgage Choice in Kingsley. I think it's time to talk about first home owners because there's a lot of options going on at the moment, and it could mean for you or for someone you care about, perhaps your kids, that you might be able to get into the property market with less deposit than you thought. It's worth investigating the options because there's quite a lot going on. So just off the top of my head, at the moment, things you might not have heard of. It's recently been announced leading into the recent federal election that the first home loan deposit scheme was going to be made available. It has been made available so far to 2 of the 4 big banks, and there's a panel of quite a few lenders that are going to be able to start doing this from February, which allows you as a borrower to borrow up to 95% of a property's value without having to take out a mortgage insurance policy, which basically means you need less deposit by the amount of whatever the mortgage insurance would have been, roughly. But there's quite a few restrictions that come with it, so you may or may not qualify. It's definitely worth figuring that out. Second thing, so that's a federal government initiative, and stocks are limited, 10,000 per year, per financial year. The next one would be a state government announcement recently that if you buy off the plan, you can get a 75% discount on stamp duty, which basically means a 75% discount on that portion of the deposit you are going to need to come up with. So you need less deposit if you're going to buy off the plan. The third one is a government-owned lender called Keystart that has recently announced it's extending for another 6 months the increase it made recently to its maximum income threshold, which means you can be earning a bit more and still be able to get a Keystart loan. Now, all of these options come with restrictions and rules, but they are added to the suite of options that are available for someone who has minimal deposit and wants to be able to get into the property market. Typically, these offers revolve around whether you're a first home buyer or not, and typically exist for owner occupation, although the 75% stamp duty discount is available for investment property purchase as well. So that's quite a lot that's different potentially to last time I spoke to you, and it's different to 12 months ago, different to 6 months ago, different to last week. So let's get together and have a chat. If you are in the market and you wish you had more deposit, maybe something's possible now that wasn't possible even a few weeks ago or last time we spoke. Thanks very much.